In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube TV app on Android. Before we start, here's a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. The YouTube TV app is only officially available in the United States. That means if you're outside the US, for example in the Philippines, you likely won't see the app listed in the Google Play Store. That's normal, and it's based on regional availability set by the service. Let's begin with the official and simplest route. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type YouTube TV, then look for the official app and tap Install. If the app appears and you can tap Install, you're good to go and can use it as intended. If you don't see the app at all, or there's no install button, it's not offered in your region through the Play Store. If the Play Store route isn't available to you, there is a more advanced option called sideloading, which means installing the app manually using an APK file. Only do this if you're comfortable with it. Go to a well-known, trusted APK website such as APK Mirror and download the YouTube TV APK that matches your device. Be cautious here. Avoid random download sites as they can bundle malware. Before installing, you'll need to allow your device to install apps from outside the Play Store. On many Android devices, that setting is found under Settings, then Security and Privacy, then More Security, and finally Install Unknown Apps. Enable permission for the browser or file manager you'll use. Once that's done, open the APK file you downloaded and tap Install. Give it a moment to complete, and the app should appear in your app drawer. A few practical tips while you're doing this. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space before you begin. Keep Play Protect enabled and avoid granting unnecessary permissions during installation. Also remember that side-loaded apps don't usually auto-update, so you may need to repeat the download process when a new version is released. Now, an important limitation to be aware of. Even if you successfully install YouTube TV outside the US, some or all features may not work. The service uses location detection to determine what content it can stream, and certain features like local channels may be blocked based on where you are. This behavior is expected and is tied to regional licensing rules. That's it. Use the Play Store if it's available to you, or carefully sideload the APK if you understand the risks. Stay safe by